Ladies and a few gentlemen, as we now move forward to one of our major highlights of the event, a panel discussion, let me introduce our moderator. It's time to turn up the volume because someone very peppy is about to take over the mic.
She's the voice that travels across time zones, from India to the USA and UAE, sprinkling energy, laughter, and stories wherever she goes.
From stage fear to spotlight, her journey proves that when passion calls, you answer with a mic in hand and a fearless heart.
With 17 years in the radio industry and a fan base that spans continents, she's not just an RJ, she's a vibe.
So get ready to be charmed and maybe even a little starstruck. Put your hands together for one and only RJ Mohini.
You have such a lovely voice. The way you're dividing the content that you need to say is absolutely awesome. I think, Neha ji, your speech was absolutely delightful because it came from somewhere deep within. And the fact that you've beaten your fear of public speaking is commendable. Give it up for her, please. Thank you so much. Every year I look forward to this gathering. हर साल मैं राह देखती हूँ कि कब अमिता जी का कॉल आएगा कि शक्ति के डेट्स डिसाइडेड है, दिशा के डेट्स डिसाइडेड है, when Gio will invite me again. Because ये स्टेज पे जो कहानियाँ सुनने को मिलती है, जो एग्जाम्पल्स सुनने को मिलते हैं, वो कहीं और नहीं मिल पाते हैं, which is a fact. And to see such lovely audiences, बहुत कम ऐसे बड़ोड़ा में प्रोग्राम्स है जहाँ पे actual impact and actually you take something out of this hall, right? आज आप सभी ने कुछ ना कुछ तो ऐसा एक पॉइंट लिया ही होगा जो आप इस हॉल के बाहर लेकर जाएंगे, करेक्ट? Okay, I don't like it when everybody nods is mute. मतलब mute में सब क्यों बैठे हुए हैं? So, who said that? Of course, I love you, man. What's your name? Chaitali. It's good to see you here. And give it up for Chaitali for such a lot of energy. Lunchtime के करीब है हम लोग, तो सभी तैयार हैं ये सेशन के लिए? हाँ, see, better volume. I like that. Okay. Are you ready for this session? Fabulous. So I have three very amazing women. I was very excited जब मैंने उनका नाम पढ़ा कि अच्छा ये लोग आ रहे हैं करके, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं तो सवाल अपने तैयार रखूंगी पर आप भी अपने अपने सवाल तैयार रखिएगा because they are a very rich source. वो विटामिन के rich sources होते हैं ना, वैसे ही they are a very rich source of inspiration. Not only inspiration but also a lot of good tips जो हमें आगे जाके काम आ सकती है. मैं तो मानती हूँ कि समय जो होता है ना, उसका सही उपयोग शायद कभी कभार, खास करके जब ऐसे सेशंस में हम होते हैं, तो उसका बेस्ट उपयोग यही है कि हम कुछ ऐसा यहाँ पे लेकर जाए जो यहाँ पे से लेकर जाए जो हमारे आने वाले समय को और ज़्यादा बेहतर बनाए. I think that is the biggest earning and that is the best way to spend your time here today. So without further ado, I'd like to request सबसे पहले Miss Susan Sampson से मैं request करूँगी to kindly come to the stage. She is the director of programs at Faith Foundation. 20 साल का उनका एक tenure रह चुका है जहाँ पे tobacco के against में she has made sure that tobacco के against में जो fight है वो गांव-गांव तक लेकर जाए. So give it up for Miss Susan Sampson. और तालियां जोरदार होनी चाहिए क्योंकि जब मैं आपको बताऊंगी इन लोगों के अचीवमेंट्स तो you'll be like यार हम लाइफ की रोज की मारामारी से बाहर नहीं निकल आते हैं, ये लोग कैसे इतना कुछ कर जाते हैं. Please take a seat. So she has been recognized as one of the best youth. This is in 2006. उसके बाद she has dedicated her life to public health in different roles and she spearheaded the impactful Yellow Line campaign in Gujarat. And she has made a dent in the use of tobacco in so many different places. I think when you make such a dent, you save so many lives. So, हकदार तो definitely है of all your applauses that you've given her already. That is Miss Susan Sampson for you. अगले जो हमारे panelists हैं, Miss Rajeshwari Singh. She's the founder director of Caravan Classrooms Foundation and Real Heroes Empowerment Association. तो मैं उन्हें रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि स्टेज पर आएं. यूनिट recognized environmentalist हैं, known for her 1100 kilometer walk यार 1100 किलोमीटर वॉक के लिए तो कितनी तालियां?
I think sometimes you really want to test my skills कि मैं कितनी तालियां आपको करवा सकती हूँ.
So I love this audiences who likes to test me also a little. So 1100 kilometer walk from Vadodara to Delhi in 2018 to combat plastic pollution. क्या बात है? And she has caravan classrooms जो environment के लिए awareness जो ज़रूरी है उन्हें foster करते हैं, उन्हें grow करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Not only that, she has launched so Real Heroes Empowerment Association under her has launched Zeroite, which is Gujarat and Rajasthan's first zero waste stores. क्या बात है? So we would love to ask you and talk to you more about that. So that is Ms. Rajeshwari Singh for you. अगला नाम मैं जो लेने जा रही हूँ, she is a wonderful woman entrepreneur. I have known her for a long time, but we have never had the opportunity to actually sit and talk and meet. So without further ado, I'd like to request Ms. Swati Vakharia to kindly come on the stage. 15 years of experience in entrepreneur, as an entrepreneur, you know, and Shark Tank कितने लोग देखते हैं? मैं Shark Tank को है ना मेरे husband की girlfriend बताती हूँ, क्योंकि उनका वो एपिसोड शुरू रहता है Shark Tank का, वो देखना चाहते हैं कौन क्या कर रहा होता है. Shark Tank is something very very popular, not very easy to get into, but the lady here, the lovely lady here, was on one of the episodes of Shark Tank as an upcoming entrepreneur, and give it a call. थोड़ा और जोर से प्लीज. मतलब आप लोग चाहते हैं अपनी पूरी एनर्जी का डोज यहाँ पे पूरे दिन का खर्च करके जाओ और फिर सो जाओ. So she has appeared on Shark Tank. We will be talking to you about that experience. How to go that far is something that we would like to know from you. Not only that, she has overall अगर देखने जाए तो नाभि सूत्र आपने सुना होगा नाभि सूत्र के बारे में. She is the founder. And that is something commendable because ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमारे culture में steeped है. But nobody realized it till she actually went and put it out there on the global stage. So it's great to see her. A huge round of applause for her, please. And for all our families also. तो आप लोग जाग रहे हैं, सो रहे हैं तो हाथ हवा में थोड़े उठाइए. Yeah, take your hands up in the air. Okay, now clap people. Got a good shot there. Thank you so much to the audiences and some questions for you with your permission. Lovely. So सबसे पहला सवाल I'd like to ask Ms. Susan Sampson. Tobacco. Like आपने ये select कैसे किया? Tobacco is one of the most difficult. मतलब बहुत सारे ऐसे कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे well-educated people are into this habit. How did you select this and how have you made an impact? अगर आप हमारी audiences को बता सकें.
So when we, as an organization, when we started off, we started as a de-addiction center, and our history taking always revealed that tobacco consumption started at school level with children, and eventually it increased or it had more, and then people ended up being hardcore addicts. So that was step one of the gateway to kind of the world of addiction. Primarily, what happens is that, and what we've seen is that everyone in India, so the Global Adult Tobacco Survey happens to say that 25% of our population currently is into smokeless or smoking tobacco. And overall, if you see 20 years back, so I've been working since 2003 in this field, and then nobody was talking about it. Nobody was talking about it because it was not even recognized as an epidemic. It was not even recognized as a major cause of death.
It is now recognized as an epidemic.
It is, and it is also the most preventable cause of death. You have other diseases related to it as well, like the COPD, the heart diseases. You have cancers, of course, very known well. But of course, now 20 years down the line, you find a lot of change in terms of non-smoking in public places and stuff like that. But yeah, when we started off, we realized that if we want to kind of work in the field of de-addiction, if we want people to make healthy choices, it starts with very primary thing, and that is telling people not to consume tobacco. That's how it starts.
Do they actually listen to you when you tell them don't consume tobacco? हम लोगों को बोला जाता है फोन साइलेंट पे रखिएगा या फोन ज़्यादा मत यूज़ कीजिएगा. मेरी माँ रोज मुझे चिल्लाती है that I am talking बात हो जाती है, do people actually listen?
Yeah, so we always believe that there is this kind of two strategies, you know, you have demand reduction strategy and supply reduction. So we also have the law department with us, as in like, you know, the police department, the education department. So way back we would be 3 people or 18 people holding posters as an organization and standing there and asking people, please don't smoke, please don't litter, and you know, it's also, you should know that cigarette butts, it's the second largest polluter in the ocean. Okay.
Wow.
And
Okay.
all of these facts, if you tell people, they eventually realize what they are contributing to the earth, to their own lives, and eventually, you know, people do listen. But I would want to reiterate Varmaji's statement, you know, and that's very true. You have to repeatedly keep telling. Behavior change comes eventually. It comes with a lot of reminding, and we've seen that over the 20 years that people do listen, people do change their habits.
You have to hammer it.
Yes, very much.
True. So, one life that you've changed and it's in front of you today and you're like, ये मेरे 20 साल बस हो गए.
Okay. So I do workshops with school students. A lot of them are, I am like skill trainer as well, a national trainer for the same. And so we do workshops every year. We have a lot of interns that walk into our premises and we teach students first-hand experiences doing skits, doing poster exhibitions and stuff, saying no to tobacco, no to drugs and stuff like that. You get irritated, you get disheartened at times. इतना हम लोग कर रहे थे, लोगों के साथ बात कर रहे थे, कोई सुनता भी है, you know. So one fine day I was in a program like this and a child comes up and he touches my feet. And I'm like, beta ji, what is it, you know? I'm like, and he says that ma'am, मैंने 8th में आपका workshop attend किया था. And उसके बाद मैं MBA करने foreign गया हूँ. And I'm running a hotel business right now because that's his lineage or whatever. And he says, ma'am, आपका सिखाया हुआ जो है, मैं इस business में होने के बावजूद आज तक I haven't smoked and I haven't had a drink. And
Wow,
he started as a-
fantastic. So this is the impact. हम लोग सभी सोचते हैं कि अब टोबैको में सालों से सिनेमा हॉल्स में सबसे पहली चीज क्या आती है? करेक्ट. फिर भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है क्योंकि इतने सारे लोग, पर हम ऐसा मानते हैं. एक्चुअली फर्क बहुत सारा पड़ रहा है. And actually it's changing lives, right?
So the disclaimer that you see, that is a PIL organization did it. We did it along with 22 other organizations in India.
Fabulous.
Mahesh Bhatti ने इसे बोला कि right to expression हमारा हक है. हमने बोला कि right to life is very basic. जिंदा रहोगे तो express करोगे. And that's how we won it. And then hence you see the disclaimer. अब हमेशा मुकेश को देखते हैं, सुनीता को देखते हैं, वो इसलिए आते हैं क्योंकि हमने PIL किया था as an organization way back. So it's on the movies now as well. Yeah.
So that is the impact that you can create if you put your mind, heart, and life to it. And we are very proud of you, and we are very proud that you're on this stage of Shakti. What a fabulous way to give it out to the world. You know? Yes, absolutely. This is worth it, and you made a difference. Moving on to Rajeshwari ji. Rajeshwari ji, plastic. My God, that is one thing that I was just checking कि प्लास्टिक कहाँ नहीं, वो भैया पानी पी रहे थे, प्लास्टिक का बोतल, मतलब हम सभी ने भी पिया, आप चिंता मत करिए, वो भी प्लास्टिक का बोतल ही है. How difficult it is to do something against plastic and why plastic? अपने environment में तो बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, तो प्लास्टिक ही क्यों select किया to create awareness about it?
Sure. So if I go back to my schooling, my upbringing, and going back to like 20 years, 25 years, I was doing my schooling from a small hill station in Rajasthan called Mount Abu, where I grew up mostly walking. We were taken out for walks, take care of the lakes, clean our spaces. That's how it built. And once a week we were told that sit under the mango tree, read your books. So that was something which was inculcated at a very young age. So it was not being read in books. This was something which came absolutely, it came inbuilt. And over the years, in last 10-15 years, like with the rise of consumerism, that just to have a glass of water, we are dependent on 200 ml of bottle, 100 ml of water, just to quench our thirst for like 2 minutes. We are leaving garbage for like 500 years, and we don't even realize that piece of trash कहाँ जाएगा, अभी यहाँ से जाएगा, फिर कहाँ जाएगा, उसका entire journey हमने 2 मिनट के प्यास के लिए नहीं सोचा है. Just for your information, I'm carrying my own bottle in the bag. I had my water and I came back. And the thing is that these are small things we don't realize in the larger this thing. So during my walk, when I did this walk, so India was the global host for World Environment Day in 2018. And there was just a press release from the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change in Delhi. And it was peak summers, I'm talking of 2018, almost 7 years back. And I was a young crusader, like 7 years younger version of me. Went through a bit of emotional trauma in life wherein I had nobody. And I was also back from media background. I was a writer with Indian Express and I used to work with radio, programming head with Red FM and all of that.
Wow.
But there was a point in life wherein I decided that how do I take this opportunity and represent my country and campaign for peak plastic pollution at a massive level for 45 days. And the
45 days.
So yes, and then I wrote in UN, I wrote in state governments, and our state government welcomed the idea that just as a solo walker, they believed in my conviction कि ये लड़की दिल्ली तक पैदल जा सकती है. And
Did you train for something like that?
Well, I was always into endurance, like physical activity, like I love cooking, so I did a world record hackathon official, listening for 51 hours.
So let's say you have been breaking records.
Just a year back, just to promote Indian cuisine, कि हर state में कितना अच्छा cuisine है, whether you go to Maharashtra, Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, everything I wanted to promote it globally. So anyway, the walk came in because from my home, basic home level, I tried to avoid plastic बहुत पहले से कि छोटी-छोटी चीजों में जहाँ जरूरत नहीं है, why to use? Carry your own bottle, carry your own utensils, and that's when I grabbed that opportunity. People came in, walked for a few stretches. The most interesting part was there was an environmental pollution control board officer who had polio. He walked with me for 25 kilometers in Haryana. That amount of support I got from the people from Gram Panchayats, grassroots level in India, and it was a massive story. And I didn't realize कि हर दिन पैदल चलते चलते पीछे 40 मतलब regional languages में story लिखी जा रही है, in French, in German, and people are talking about it. And the story didn't end there. I had to come back, and people asked me a lot of questions कि आप इतना preach कर रहे हो कि plastic मत use करो, तो what is the solution? Can you give a like tangible solution? Because ज्ञान बांट रहे हो आप, tangible solution ला सकते हो या नहीं? And that's when I came back and the idea of Zero Height was germinated, wherein we started Gujarat's first Zero Waste store, and we replicated that model in Jaipur as well.
So what is a zero waste store? मतलब कैसे
Okay, so Zero Height we started exactly जब COVID times मतलब थोड़े normalize हो रहे थे 2020 October.
जब सभी सोच रहे थे कि इसमें नया कुछ शुरू नहीं करना है, अभी देखना है, let's wait and watch. She said no, I'm not waiting and watching.
मुझे लोगों ने पागल कहा कि मतलब पागल हो गए हो, मतलब is this the time to take risks, put that money, your hard earned savings, because I totally bootstrapped my project. It was not, I didn't have any funding agency or anybody to back up anything like that, and I started my store, which was very much I thought I can afford to experiment in a city like Vadodara. I can't do it in Mumbai, Delhi or Bangalore, but let me see what's the response. वैसे भी अभी people are understanding about environmental issues. So let's take a chance. And I got amazing response, and now our main business comes from government bodies, big corporates like TCS. We recently had a very big event at Garima Park, which is a special economic zone with 10,000 employees. They gave us this, whether they have very strict permission that you cannot do business in the premises. But we were able to convert their employees as our clients regular, and their corporates are promoting sustainability, that please choose these products, and they are preferring that we do such summits, and we also cater to the G20 summit. All the environment eco hampers came to, we got business in that.
Came from Baroda, that's amazing. For the G,
For the Youth 20 summit.
for the Youth 20
So
summit.
around 1,000 hampers ka business humko mila, because it had everything
So what
environment.
exactly would be a zero waste product, you know? If you
Okay.
can give us an example.
Sure. So when you walk into a store, the moment you step in, you're going to read something. Every step you're going to read that if you want to dispense your grocery, sorry about that. So if you want to dispense your grocery, so there'll be wall-mounted dispensers. So you can get your own thela, you can get your own bag. So for every time you want shampoo, oil, you don't need to, generate waste. You bring in your bottle, jars, refill it. जब जरूरत पड़ेगी, या फिर आप अपना कंटेनर आके हमको दे सकते हैं. You can take a new glass jar or something, and we give you 10% discount because of the behavioral change. We would appreciate that. So that is something we began, and people used to come from distances. Like we had people coming from Anand to our store. That what an amazing thing that you have started, because
Where is the store here? Everybody would love to know.
so we took a rented premises in Akoda, which we gave a hefty amount of rent for almost 2 years, and now we have a small little space. It's in Gotri, so it's right next to Gotri police station. So there's a building called
Safe
India.
area.
So
Everybody
yeah. So interestingly, we got to promote it through G20 Summit also. So then there was a topic called research, innovation, and startup related to climate change. So the business we got, and I was also a speaker over there,
Fantastic.
motivating new startups. Yeah.
So lovely, we would love to visit your space one of these days. And how many are going to come with me? मैं तो जा रही हूँ. अच्छा बाकी जिन्होंने हाथ उठाने के आपके पास टाइम नहीं है क्या?
There would be a couple of people sitting here, which I already see some familiar faces there.
Oh, so you've been there. That's why they did not raise their hand.
I've seen the products already, I guess. Yeah.
All right, okay. Give it up for her, please. That is Mr. Rajeshwari Singh. We'll be coming back to you for another question. But moving on to Ms. Swati Vakharia, the founder of Navi Sutra. Navi Sutra क्या है? सबसे पहले स्वाति सभी को बताएं. That is the first thing that I wanted to, really explain to everybody.
So hi, I'm Swati Vakharia, founder of Navi Sutra and Adya Wellness. Navi Sutra is a concept that is based on Ayurveda और उसकी एक पद्धति है healing की. It's called Navi Chikitsa. So हुआ क्या कि when I was into my early motherhood stage, as a mother or there's a lactation period and बहुत सारा कैल्शियम हमारा चला जाता है और उसका सीधा इम्पैक्ट है फॉल एंड हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस की वजह से स्किन और मल्टीपल इश्यूज जो मैं खुद फेस कर रही थी. एट दैट इज अ टाइम कि हम ज़्यादा सिंथेटिक प्रोडक्ट्स या ऐसे के सोल्यूशंस पे फोकस नहीं करते. वी वांट टू दादी माँ के नुस्खे फॉलो करते हैं फॉर अस फॉर बेबी एवरीवन. सो दैट वाज द टाइम आई वाज आल्सो into that zone कि मैं ज़्यादा आयुर्वेदा पे ट्रस्ट कर रही थी. I was trying to study more natural remedy क्या होगी, किस तरह से वो करूँगी, and then I got to know about this belly button oiling therapy. So that's how this particular thing came to me, and then I started doing those healing, alternative healing को मैंने मौका दिया और practice किया. तो मुझे काफ़ी ही interesting लगा, results काफ़ी amazing दिखे. And that's how I met my cousin, who is again Ayurveda, practicing from past 12 years, and tried to understand more about the concept, and then got to know that हमारे body में nerve endings होते हैं. सो टंग इज वन ऑफ देम, जिसकी बेस पे होम्योपैथी पूरा डेवलप किया गया है, बिकॉज वहाँ से बॉडी को काफ़ी मात्रा में नरिशमेंट एंड सोल्यूशन मिल सकते हैं। बेली बटन इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ देम। नाउ फूट में भी होते हैं नर्व एंडिंग्स, सो दिस आर द वेज हीलिंग के लिए काफ़ी इम्पैक्टफुल रहते हैं, और हमारा आयुर्वेदा, हमारा कल्चर सालों से इस बारे में बात कर रहा है। सो नाउ द पॉइंट इज कि इसको किस तरह से हम सही वे में हमारी लाइफस्टाइल में वापस लाए, एंड दैट वाज द पर्टिकुलर टाइम जहाँ पे मैं भी एक करियर शिफ्ट के मोड पे थी। आई वाज रनिंग एन आईटी फर्म बिफोर, एंड आई रियली लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉन्सेप्ट, the healing power, and then I decided to take it ahead in a form of Nabi Sutra, where people are aware कि ऑयल लगाना है, कौन सा कब क्या किस मात्रा में, कौन सा फॉर्मुलेशन सही है, किस तरह से हम सोल्यूशन तक पहुंच सकते हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी डेवलप around 9 different categories of belly button oil in 2019. So it's been more than 5 years of journey with us, and now also trying create more products, because the vision is, the aim is to revive age-old rituals in a user-friendly manner, in a modern lifestyle में जो लोग उसको भी यूज करने की कोशिश करें, बिकॉज द यूथ वो पहले आयुर्वेद से थोड़ा भागता था। सो इट इज नॉट कि हाँ ये सब हम नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप कुछ रास्ते में कुछ कर रहे हो तो दे वर नॉट अप फॉर इट। आफ्टर कोविड चेंज हुआ, जिससे पहले हमने लॉन्च कर लिया था, बट लोगों ने फिर आयुर्वेद को बहुत अच्छे से समझा, एंड दैट रियली हेल्प अस टू टेक आवर मूव अहेड। हम उस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स लाते गए, और जैसे वी हैव लॉन्च 100 टाइम्स वॉश थाउली स्किन क्रीम, विच इज कॉपर वेसल में घी को वॉश करके बनाया गया एक सोल्यूशन है, जो कि एक रेमेडी है। हम ग्लोइंग क्रीम नहीं बनाते कि चलो आप 2 शेड कम हो जाओ, नहीं, दिस इज अ हीलिंग प्रोसेस जो कि सालों से हमारे डॉक्टर्स, आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर्स उसको यूज कर रहे थे फॉर हीलिंग। अगर किसी को एक्जिमा, सोराइसिस, तो उसका एक नेचुरल वर्जन हमारे ग्रंथ में था, एंड जिसका रूटीन एक फॉर्मुलेशन भी डिसाइडेड एंड क्रिएटेड विद हेल्प ऑफ डॉक्टर्स कि जो हमारे लाइफस्टाइल में नेचुरल वे में हमको सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करते।
So that's passion. I can see the passion, you know, when she's talking about it, and I think that's the passion. She's from IIM Bangalore, and you know, ये IT सेक्टर से सीधा यहाँ पे आना, ब्यूटी फील्ड अगर देखने जाए तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, जैसे आजकल के टाइम्स में पैराबीन फ्री देखा नहीं कि हमने अरे बराबर है पैराबीन फ्री है, बट देयर आर अदर केमिकल्स इन इट व्हिच आर इवन वर्स देन पैराबीन, यू नो। So we don't possibly understand everything that we are using. Sometimes we also want fast results. तो ये फास्ट वाले ज़माने में आयुर्वेद it takes its own time, right? तो शार्क टैंक तक आप कैसे पहुँचे थे? And what was the response overall for all those who have not watched you, you know, give your pitch out there?
So शार्क टैंक का जब यूएस में चल रहा था तभी से थोड़ा थोड़ा फॉलो कर रहे थे। सो आई वाज लाइक कभी मौका मिलेगा तो वाओ, वुड लव टू गो देयर एंड यू नो ऐसा कुछ कर पाए। उतने में शार्क टैंक का इंडिया में ही वर्जन शुरू हुआ, एंड वी वर लाइक वेरी हैप्पी। फर्स्ट में हमने ट्राई किया था, लेकिन तब एंड तक नहीं पहुंच पाए थे। समहाउ 4th राउंड में आके कहीं ना कहीं कुछ अटक गया, एंड 3rd में आई कुड एक्चुअली गेट चांस। वो जून के आसपास आई थिंक एंट्री शुरू हो जाते, जो अभी भी उन्होंने अनाउंस कर दिया है कि शुरू हो चुका है।
Very innovative campaign, yeah.
Yeah, it's a very innovative campaign, yes. So that's how I started my application over there. About 4 to 5 different stages पास करने रहते हैं, और उसके बाद आपको 5 days तक स्टूडियो राउंड में मौका मिलता है, जहाँ पे आप अपनी फाइनल पिच टैंक में जाके 1-1.5 घंटे का एक सेशन होता है, वहाँ पे आप दे सकते हैं। So it's like बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है हमेशा, क्या होने वाला है कुछ पता नहीं होता। वो 1.5 घंटे इज लाइक कोई आपको वहाँ पे कुछ कट नहीं मिलता, कुछ नहीं होता, एवरीथिंग इज देयर। जिसका 10 मिनट का वर्जन दे क्रिएट इन देयर ओन वे।
So 1.5 घंटे का 10 minutes वो क्रिएट करते हैं वहाँ पे।
क्या हुआ?
1.5 घंटे जो आप करते हो उसका 10 minutes ही दिखाया जाता है।
So it's like वहाँ का 1.5 घंटा was crazy for us. It was like a laughter bomb for us, because हमने उस 5 दिन का जो स्टूडियो राउंड किया था, उसमें से बेस्ट टाइम जो हमने एंजॉय किया था वो था टैंक में विद शार्क्स। एंड शार्क्स दे वर नाभि चिकित्सा एंड आयुर्वेदा का था। somehow we got very warm welcome from them, एंड उन्होंने इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझा, एक्सेप्ट किया था, और बहुत ही अच्छे हमको सजेशंस मिले थे। द एडिटेड एपिसोड आई स्टिल डोंट लाइक कि हाँ ये वो नहीं है जो हमने वहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस किया था। हालांकि वहाँ पे हमको एक शार्क ने मेंटरशिप ऑफर की थी, एक शायद ने रॉयल्टी डील ऑफर की थी, बट द एडिटेड वर्जन डजंट शो ऑथर्स. सो इट्स लाइक हाँ इन्होंने तो ठीक ठाक ही दिखाया है, बट द एक्सपीरियंस इज अमेजिंग.
But reaching there is amazing.
Exactly.
I think taking Nabi Sutra there is amazing. Taking Ayurveda there to, because it's not just about you going for funding, it's about you showcasing to all those people who are watching Shark Tank that Ayurveda has the power to reach. Shark Tank तो ठीक है, एक space है, one step है. It has the power to reach the world like yoga. You know, so that is where you being from Baroda makes such a lot of impact for us and makes us feel very very proud.
Thank you.
आप खुद यूज करते हो ना?
हमेशा. Just मेरा पूरा family.
Very fine.
No, I'm like totally into it.
Lovely. So when you follow your passion, when you follow your calling, I think magic happens. And after that थोड़ा hard work भी चाहिए होता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. बहुत रोलर कोस्टर तो रहता है, कभी up, कभी down. It happens.
Absolutely. So that is Swati Vakharia for you. Give it up for her, please. So one of my questions to you, you know, कि लोग कभी भी मैं अगर किसी को smoke, I have very less people I know who smoke, but at one point in time one of my closest person was smoking. So कभी भी मैं उनको बोलती हूँ ना कि don't smoke, you know. Of course, the person has left since the last couple of years, and I was very happy to see that change. But smokers को, tobacco consumers को कभी भी आप बोलो कि छोड़ दो, तो वो लोगों का सबसे बड़ा आर्गुमेंट क्या होगा पता है? क्या होगा? मरना तो ऐसे भी है, मरना तो वैसे भी है. जो नहीं खाते उनको भी कैंसर होता है, जो खाते हैं उनको भी कैंसर होता है. तो लाइफ में एंजॉय करके क्यों ना? Now, that logic is baseless. Let's put it in very good terms. It's baseless. But how do you combat? I'm very curious about that. कि लोग ऐसे जब लॉजिक देते हैं आपको, तो आप क्या सामने जवाब देते हैं?
So I was talking to one of the, so we deal with all kinds of stakeholders, right? And we were dealing with one of the retailers who is into tobacco selling and stuff like that. And he's like, I sell this, ये वगैरह चीज़ें ना. तो हमने उनको बोला कि आप अपने बेटे को ये सेल करेंगे, तो obviously he's not going to do that, you know. So when you take up anything like consumption, we basically promote healthy lifestyle away from addiction and addictive behaviors. So what we try to say is primarily this is that you would do it for yourself as a choice, right? Meaning that's my choice. મને ગમે છે તો હું કરું છું, મારા પૈસાથી કરું છું, તમને શું છે, kind of, right?
That you must have heard a lot.
I've done that every time. But you would never want your next generation to do it, right? One. Second thing is that જ્યાં સુધી તમને કોઈને લોહી કાઢતા, you know, so there's an ad which says lungs gul jata. So it literally happens that you vomit blood. And unless and until you've seen, and God forbid that any of our family members have to go through something as cancer because of tobacco addiction, because of having made a conscious choice to eat tobacco. See, you being a victim of anything like nature ka, other cancers, you know, breast cancer, वगैरह चीजें, it's a different story altogether. But you made a choice to die. See,
True.
you made a choice to die.
She's
And
good.
मर जाए
No
तो
wonder she gets such a. You know, I don't have tobacco, but now I'm even more scared of looking at it.
No, मर जाए एक झटके में तो बहुत अच्छा है. I would say that. But cancer patient होके, if you have 5 or 6 dependent family members being deprived of their vacations, being deprived of their education, being deprived of other facilities which can come, because everything is routed onto your health condition and your health facilities, that would be something that you cannot live or you cannot even die peacefully with. So if you can actually sensitize at this level, then you can get people to quit. And it is
वो चीज़ समझानी पड़ती है और गले उतारनी पड़ती है. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो एजुकेटेड नहीं हैं. मेरे घर पे एक लड़का काम करता था कोविड के टाइम पे. I saw him behaving erratically. He could not go home because lockdown announce हुआ था और बंदा पागल हो गया था. हमें पता नहीं था कि उसको हो क्या है. We thought डॉक्टर के पास लेकर चलते हैं या कुछ है. Finally he comes out and he tells us कि मैं ना दिन में 2 बार तम्बाकू खाता हूँ. He had just joined us right before COVID lockdown had happened. तो इतना ज़्यादा, and trust me, In my life, entire life, I have never gone out to search for tobacco. That day I had to go if I wanted to save his life, you know. And the worst part was looking at me, nobody would give it to me. I mean, but most people thought I was some undercover police officer trying to catch hold of them. So it's a common tragedy of life कि वो बंदे को मैं of course now I'm going to take your contact number and any बंदा I come across I'm sending him to you for de-addiction but that's where the society is also you know हम सभी ने शायद हमारी walks of life में ऐसे लोगों को देखा है नहीं देखा है पता नहीं है but that's an impact plastic is an impact being an entrepreneur who's you know who's promoting our way is amazing and I feel very selfish कि मैं ही सवाल पूछे जा रही हूँ जब आप सभी यहाँ पे हैं and I'm sure आप सभी के पास भी सवाल होंगे right? Do you have questions? Then I would like to open the stage for questions क्योंकि मैं अगर पूछती रहूँगी तो सवाल तो never ending हो जाएंगे so anybody has questions that you would want to ask? I'm a huge believer in questions. मतलब लोग थक जाते हैं उनके सवाल में पूछती हूँ recently I had a lovely yes ma'am
ये जो इनिशिएटिव स्ट्रॉन्गली आप लोग जो ले रहे हो whether it is plastic whether it is tobacco so I would like to know कि कोई I don't know is the right platform कि right platform है कि नहीं पर कोई threaten आपको आता है ऐसा कि you just stop it now और ऐसा
very nice question
Very obviously. So
how you deal with that?
We always say that हमारा जो budget होता है to work in tobacco control is not even as much as tobacco companies one गली का marketing budget. Okay, and that is the big tobacco we are dealing with every day. The big tobacco company that we are dealing every day. Socio-economic. So just as I said, there are supply reduction strategies and demand reduction strategies. We're working constantly with the government also, international, national agencies as well, so that we can also, so that Cigarette and Other Tobacco Products Act is also one of the laws. So you always have to be internally working with the police department also to sensitize them for our protection. Sometimes they are against us also, get the judiciary on panel as well. So just as I remember ma'am walking in child marriage, you know, it is a game you play every day, you know, and so where you safeguard yourself from these attacks on and off, you know. But consistency is the key, you know, and we project ourselves as someone who are demand reduction strategies. I am working towards a goal that says tobacco-free generation. So we are working towards a goal that says that अगर हमारी अगली पीढ़ी ने टोबैको देखना है तो वो म्यूजियम में देखे गले पे that is how we are
कि आप देख लो
so हुक्का बैन सबसे पहले बड़ौदा में डॉक्टर वीरेंद्र पटेल एंड फेथ फाउंडेशन ने इनिशिएटिव लिया था हुक्का बैन हुक्का बार्स if you remember 2007-8 that was the first in entire world and New York called us to tell us कि आपने कैसे किया करके and after that
best in the world
yes
Baroda
yes after that we were actually challenged डॉक्टर वीरेंद्र पटेल को धमकी मिलती थी हमें कंपनी से धमकी मिलती थी and we had to stand our foot कि ये ऐसा ही रहेगा उसके बाद Bombay did it, Ahmedabad did it, and New York City also started considering our case study for the same. It is not easy, but it is doable, is what I am saying.
Super. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
yes next question this side
हमारे सो कॉल्ड बॉलीवुड के स्टार्स होते हैं जो सिगरेट वगैरह प्रमोट करते हैं और उनको हम अपना आइडल मानते हैं तो उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहोगे क्योंकि वही प्रमोट कर रहे हैं इन दैट केस डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली
This is a big gamut, okay? A gamut of economy, gamut of policies, gamut of political gamut, you know? So, and मुझे हमेशा फिल्म स्टार्स के लिए यही लगता है कि पैसे इतने क्या कम पड़ गए कि टोबैको सेल कर तो प्रमोट करने लगे हैं, right? We have had police complaints done against Salman Khan, Malaika Arora. We have had official complaints done against Ajay Devgan, Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan was penalized 100 rupees fine on the airport when it was here long back in 2005 or something for smoking in public places, right? So what they are doing is just pure business, right? And what they are doing is, again, Ajay Devgan को यही पूछा गया था, हमने जो letter उनको लिखा था and the complaint, would you want to give it to Naisa? Would you, that's the daughter, right? Would you want to give it to your child? And there is no answer, you know. So I'm again telling you, what we are battling against is big money and big power. But we standing here by a conviction that the next generation has to be a tobacco-free generation. So that is what
Tobacco needs to be a taboo. Yes, next question. You can ask any of the panelists anything that you like.
Actually, my question is that consumer is more या producer is more?
Sorry.
Tobacco consumer ज़्यादा है या producer ज़्यादा है?
India happens to be the third largest producer of tobacco, and consumers, you have the second largest oral cancer, the second largest oral cancer in India, and the second largest, the highest number of oral cancers are in Gujarat. So it goes parallel. That's what I was saying.
Yes, ma'am. तो मेरा ये है कंसर्न कि जैसे कि कंज्यूमर पे काफ़ी सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम कर रही है, प्रीवियसली मैं भी काम कर रही थी, वहाँ पे भी हमने काम किया है, बट आर यू वर्किंग ऑन प्रोड्यूसर के वो?
Yes, you're talking about farmers, right?
नो लाइक जो प्रोडक्शन करती है कंपनी,
Companies.
तो आई थिंक हम कम्युनिटी के साथ यूज करते हैं काफ़ी सारा, और एक साइड पे जहाँ से प्रोड्यूसर इतना ज़्यादा होती है.
So do you control somehow? Is there a possibility or is there a way where you can control the producer?
I always question this, and I always believe if I'm not questioned this, I've not got through the message to people. In school programs also, and a forum like this also. Just as I said, it is a big political gamut that we deal with. Yesterday I was in one of the schools in Vadodara, और यहाँ पे छठी धोरण નો છોકરો મને પૂછે છે કે મેડમ આને બેન કેમ નથી કરતા જે પ્રોડ્યુસ કરે છે, right? That's very obvious. That's again to understand. The first businesses that opened up after COVID was Theka and Pangalas. So any of you understand that, right? So our economy, sin taxes, and our economy behind the door is largely dealt with or largely provided by these two major players in the market. I shouldn't be saying this so openly in a forum like this, but let's understand this is a big gamut that we are dealing with. So whenever Cigarette and Other Tobacco Products Act जब 2003 में बना था, तो there was a provision which said कि 500 yards के आजू-बाजू, schools के आजू-बाजू पान गल्ले नहीं होने चाहिए. Over the night, GOM, जिसको बोला जाता है, the body decided, and the draft which comes to the president is that 100 yards. Yes. And in real implementation, it is still a struggle with the enforcement raid committee has to do everything. So it is something that we are saying, talking about behavior change, we are trying as an organization to bring a behavior change amongst people, जहाँ हम पसंद करते हैं कि हमें तंबाकू नहीं चाहिए. राइट क्योंकि ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम बिग मनी के सामने लड़ रहे हैं एवरीडे या लड़ पाए, बट वी वांट द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आर एज अ जनरेशन. हमें बोला जाता है, मुझे बोला जाता है, मैडम તમે કદી ખાધું છે, તમને ખબર છે કેટલી મજા આવે, રાઈટ? એન્ડ આઈ એગ્રી મજા આવે છે, રાઈટ? બીકોઝ ઇટ હેઝ ઓલ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ કેમિકલ્સ જે મજા આવવા માટે રિસ્પોન્સિબલ હોય છે, રાઈટ? I haven't tried it. I chose that for myself, and that is the conviction I want in the next generation. कि आने वाली पीढ़ी जो हो वो ये चुने कि हमें तंबाकू से अपनी जिंदगी बर्बाद नहीं करनी, चाहे और कुछ भी कर ले. समझे? That is our conviction, Peter. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Any questions to any of the other panelists? Yes.
The trend now is that the next generation is moving on from cigarettes to vapes, let's say.
Yes.
Then how do you address that or prevent that?
Okay, I'm going to give you a legal answer. There is something called Prevention of Electronic Cigarettes Act 2019, which has come recently, and we had done a campaign wherein we got 5,000 signatures from all over Gujarat appealing to the president that this is to come into action. So, in the open platform here, I want you to know that there is a law which is dealing with this. You can give an official complaint if you find any vapes being sold in any of the shops to the SOG, to the police of us, Gujarat is the only state that has been able to take action so far. As much as 42 crores of waste from Ganga airport, from airports, from shops have been seized so far. So you can definitely lead with that. That is one legal part of it. Second part of it is behavior change. We need to create an awareness that this is not a harm reduction strategy which it is promoted as. And second thing, it is pure nicotine. It is more harmful to the body. There is something called popcorn lungs which develop because of the consumption of vape. Style समझे पर जिंदगी की लग जाती है. So you really need to educate the youngsters about that.
Thank you so much. And I have a question for you, Rajeshwari ji. Plastic की बात करते हैं ना, तो there is plastic everywhere. Like plastic has been found in placenta also.
Yes.
Like for women, there's so many women here. That is dangerous. That is beyond dangerous. If there was a word that I knew, if I was Shashi Tharoor, I would have found that word, which is beyond dangerous. But what is that one, जैसे BPA free बोलते हैं, food grade बोलते हैं, जो यहाँ पे so many women are there. How can we avoid the use of plastic that is actually causing our body harms? And what is that plastic in our kitchens, in our daily lives? अगर आप बस एक लिस्ट हमारे लिए क्विक लिस्ट बना दे सके कि ये चीजें अवॉइड करें.
So, like she spoke of placenta. So, if you get your blood tested also, you will also find microplastic. It's all running through our, it's in our blood, it's in our system already. So, in this age, everybody would find microplastic in our bloodstream. So, it has almost reached everywhere. And little tips I'll give you, which can really make a massive impact. So it starts from your basic house, so home, to your office, to your community, to your society. So small tips like take a thela while you're going to shop. Don't ask for that extra okay, kaka, theliya. Don't stop that. Take a thela. Try to buy products in bulk instead of small things, small packaging. Get rid of the packaged food which you give to your children, because these days so many tests are being done. It's very harmful. So all those packets of chips and things that it might be very tasty, and you might get enticed with amazing packaging and all of that. So the zeroite concept, when we started, you will not find anything attractive. None of the products that you will find in our store, you will find a wrapper. There is no wrapper in any of the products. I'll give you an example of Turai. For example, Rich Guard. The Turai, it was used decades ago, decades, or I would call it, Turai is being used to, scrub your body. It's a bath loofah. So these days, we don't even package it. It's kept at the shelf. You buy it. It's absolutely nature-based product. તમે માટીને ટચ કરો છો, they say it's good for immunity. So all the products that we have in our store, it's being taken from nature. It doesn't need any packaging. You don't need a cling film to banana. You don't need a cling film for apples. It's being taken from nature. We are all
So we should possibly avoid all the cling films possible.
Absolutely, cling film. When you go shopping, try to carry your thela. Don't buy 50 gram ki cheese. Try to buy 500 grams. Just store it in your airtight or container.
So container with plastic, how does if there will be a free food grade? So does that mean that it doesn't give us plastic?
So it might have bigger shelf life. I usually prefer metal containers, jars. We usually avoid glass, but we tried. Last year we had a summit. We had kept reusable glass bottles. We sterilized them and then we reused it. So these kind of little things you can do. We also organize zero waste parties. 50 लोगों को 100 लोगों को वो करें. You will save a lot on the material.
Oh, that's a nice concept. Zero waste party.
शादी में आप बोलोगे we give you utensils, we clean it up, we use banana leaves, all of that. So these things are trending these days. So it's a statement as well as to try and avoid waste. All the food waste that is being used, it can be composted. So many things are happening in Vadodara. Try
Yeah, we have Reena ma'am here who does
Yeah,
a lot of
absolutely.
composting, waste recycling, everything here. So that's there. Swati, I have one question for you as an entrepreneur. You know, how many women have secretly somewhere or the other thought यार ये business शुरू कर देते हैं, बहुत हो गया, employment नहीं करना है, job नहीं करनी, मैंने तो सोचा है कई बार, radiometry stopped me 101 times, that's a different thing. But how many people here? Okay, lovely. Randomly tell me one business. The lady there. Yes. You were raising your hand and you were so smiley there. बताइए. कौन सा business शुरू करना था आपको? किस चीज़ का?
एक्चुअली मेरा बैकग्राउंड MBA फिनांस है,
हाँ.
बट करंटली जो मेरी अभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वहाँ पे मैं एज अ DM डेटा एग्जीक्यूटिव की जॉब करती हूँ. एंड ये मेरा अभी प्रोफेशन बन गया है. और मुझे फिनांस की जगह पे ये ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो मुझे ऐसा ही है कि मैं ये जो मेरी कंपनी में है वो मेरा बिजनेस स्टार्ट करूँ और अदर कंपनीज में अप्रोच करूँ.
Okay, lovely. The lady behind you, please give her the mic. Yes, it's absolutely जोरदार तालियां. What's your name? हाँ, Jyoti. तो आपको कौन सा business?
Madam, recently I am working in Bangkok as a accountant and मुझे शायद 3-4 साल हो गए हैं और मैंने फूड का बिजनेस सोचा हुआ था, इन फूड मस्का पर.
Wow. So she has her thing there. लेकिन मेरे को करना है. अभी तक क्यों नहीं किया है? What is the one thing that stops you?
एक्चुअली मुझे अभी जॉब करना नेसेसरी है, मतलब मैं जॉब के अलावा करना चाहती हूँ, बट अभी वो हो नहीं रहा है. घर को टाइम देना पड़ता है जॉब, और उसके बाद
You know, this is that one thing that stops 99% of people in. So there are so many women there who are doing that. I can see that lady also doing it. This is that one. Swati, you have to address this. कि कैसे करते हो? You are a new mother. When you are I am Bangalore, you have to have a way around this problem.
So ये issues हर एक को होते हैं and it is like जैसे मैम ने बोला था कि जब abuse होता है तो self awareness ही नहीं होता कि abuse हो रहा है. अगर आपको एक self awareness ही नहीं है, आप उसके बारे में कुछ करोगे ही नहीं, because you have accepted the situation the way it is. So when you are trying to do something, you just need to understand first that this is something is important for me, for my lifestyle, for my routine, and start making people aware about it. See, if you are in a family, I'm really thankful that my family is like really supportive, and my sasu mom was the one जिन्होंने मुझे push करके तब भेजा था कि नहीं बेटा अभी बेबी है और ये सोच के अभी अटक जाएगी तो फिर बहुत देर हो जाएगी. So now is the time कि अगर उसको बाहर का खाना थोड़ा सा भी हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है तो 2 घंटे तो 2 घंटे, बट स्टार्ट लिविंग फॉर योर ऑफिस, जस्ट स्टार्ट योर रूटीन लाइफ, एंड दैट्स हाउ. तब नाभि सूत्र का मैं नहीं सोचा था, लेकिन मैंने ऑफिस एटलीस्ट रेज्यूम कर ली, मैंने खुद को पुश किया कि नहीं कुछ करेंगे वापस से, एंड वो रूटीन तक आना. एंड देन हम ऐसे विमेन सबसे जहाँ पे फंस जाता है, इट्स लाइक हम हेल्प मांगते नहीं हैं घर पे कि नहीं मेरा ये इंपॉर्टेंट काम है, मुझे करना है और वो मेरे लिए इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है, हम दिखाएंगे नहीं, हम अंदर ही घुटते जाएंगे एंड कुछ और सोल्यूशन निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब ऐसा कुछ होगा हम रुक चुके होते हैं तब तक, इट्स लाइक नहीं हो पाएगा और हम गिव अप कर जाते हैं कहीं ना कहीं. जस्ट स्टार्ट आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प. वो लोग समझते हैं जो आपके आसपास लोग होते हैं, जस्ट वो कन्विक्शन, वो अपने आप का भरोसा एंड खुद के काम को इम्पोर्टेंस देना, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आप अपने काम को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दोगे, कोई और नहीं देने वाला. सो वो इम्पोर्टेंस के साथ आप जब भी बोलोगे, आई एम श्योर पीपल आर देयर टू अंडरस्टैंड यू एंड आप अपना वे आउट निकाल लोगे. सो दैट्स द थिंग.
Fantastic. Give it up for Swati. I think we've had a very nice discussion and my few takeaways from here is सबसे पहले तो passion बहुत होना जरूरी है. दूसरा planning बहुत होना जरूरी है. सिर्फ पैशन है, सपना देख लिया बस सब छोड़ छाड़ के सबसे लड़के चलेगा, ऐसे नहीं होता है. You have to have a course planning in place and you have to have the perseverance. ये 3 चीजें आज मैं लेकर जा रही हूँ यहाँ से. पैशन, प्लानिंग एंड परसिवियरेंस. इंस्टाग्राम का एल्गोरिथम भी परसिवियरेंस पे चल जाता है. आप 500 रील बनाओगे तब जाके एक रील वायरल होता है. तो परसिवियरेंस पे अगर इंस्टाग्राम भी चलता है
तो डेफिनेटली उस पर डिपेंड कर जाती है. तो थैंक यू ऑल द 3 ladies for teaching us passion, planning and perseverance, and I wish you all the very best. To each one of you, I want to take something amazing back from here. I'd like to invite now on stage to felicitate our 3 amazing panelists, Dr. Amita Jaspal, Executive Director, GEO, Ms. Himani, Honorary Treasurer, GEO, Mr. Neeraj Patel, President GEO, and Mr. Sunil Shah, Senior Vice President GEO. मैं चारों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि इस मंच पे आए, and I'd like to request them to, thank our panelists and appreciate their contribution to the city and the country. So, Amita ji, सबसे पहले Swati Vakharia, please give it up for Swati. What a beautiful journey, and we look forward to seeing Nabi Sutra take over so many other brands which are out there, but we absolutely look forward to Selena Gomez coming and saying, I want to do something with Nabi Sutra. Yeah? Let's do it then. Faith Foundation, जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए भी. Ms. Rajeshwari Singh, जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए भी. Right is the next stopover for all of us. एक बार जब भी हम कोतरी जाएं to visit the store and the entire जो पूरी जुम्बिश वो उन्होंने शुरू की है, let's make sure we support it completely. Thank you so much to all the 3 lovely panelists. एक बार सब साथ मिलकर, I know lunch time है, सबको भूख लगी है, पर जोरदार तालियां for this amazing team of GEO जिन्होंने ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. Can I have a hand up over here, please? Lovely. That's the entire energy जो चाहिए to make sure that we take something amazing, beautiful and positive back from here. Thank you to all the 3 wonderful ladies. Amita ma'am, thank you for having me here once again this year.
We request Mr. Neeraj Patel to felicitate our wonderful sponsors.
We request Neeraj sir to please join us on stage. There are ways to accept the token on behalf of the organization. Our gift partner, Vasu Healthcare, we request Ms. Rinkel Patel, Senior Manager QA, to receive the token on their behalf. Our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event not only possible but truly memorable.
First and foremost, our sincere thanks to all our honorable speakers for sharing their incredible journeys and igniting in us the true meaning of courage, conviction, and change. A special thank you to our vibrant panel moderator, RJ Mohini, and our inspiring city achievers for making the discussion both meaningful and dynamic.
To our generous sponsors ABB, C Linkages, Vasu Healthcare and Radio Mirchi, Thank you for believing in the cause and standing behind this celebration of womanhood and strength. A huge shout out to the organizing team of GEO, all volunteers and technical staff. Your coordination and energy made everything run smoothly.
And of course, a very special thank you to all the women who joined us today. Your spirit, strength, and stories are what the celebration was truly about.
Before we part ways, let's carry the spirit of Shakti within us. It is a voice, a vision, and a victory. It is every woman who has risen beyond limits, every hand that has lifted another, and every story that has dared to be heard.
Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep supporting, keep empowering. And remember, empower women, empower the world. Have a wonderful afternoon ahead. And the lunch is prepared, so we request you to join us.
Before we go for lunch, I'd like to call upon stage the two young ladies, Nishta and Latika, who have kept us across through the day and conducted the entire session. And I would like to call Neeraj on the stage to give them a memento. Together, and they have done a very good job. So congratulations, both of you. Thank you. And I think so now we are open for lunch. Yes.